The City deal will see the 10 South East Wales local authorities working with Welsh Government and the UK Government to invest £1.2 billion in our region. The City deal seeks to capitalise on the economic activity which already takes place in and around the heart of our region, the capital city, and spread this prosperity across South East Wales, from Maesteg to Monmouth and Barry to Blaenavon. This £1.2 billion investment is set to improve transport, making it easier for people to access employment and skills, to attract new business to our region, creating more jobs and apprenticeships. Digital connectivity, ensuring our region is well connected. Regeneration and planning, working together to redevelop our region and attract inward investment. Through this collaborative approach, the City deal offers a unique opportunity to transform the economy of South East Wales for our future. To find out more, visit the Cardiff Capital Region City Deal website and follow us on Twitter @CCR City Deal.